Hey guys, a lot has gone down in last 24 hours and we have many more leaks now. So first of all, a shady looking hands-on video of the Galaxy S9 has been posted on Vivo. The video shows a device which looks very much like the Galaxy S9 should look like, but the video is very dark and we can't know for sure. The video shows the phone in the settings and the settings have that user's icon like thing that comes in Android Oreo. So the video might actually be showing the Galaxy S9. Further, we have a box leak of the Galaxy S9 which shows specs of the Galaxy S9 and it looks very similar to the box of the Galaxy S8 and the Galaxy Note 8. On the first look, the image looks legit. So first of all, the box tells us that the Galaxy S9 has a 5.8-inch display which has a Quad HD Plus resolution. Next up, we have a super speed 12 megapixel optically stabilized dual pixel sensor, but there is a twist in there. You can see that beside the OIS, f1.5/f2.4 is written, and what that means is that the camera will have a variable aperture which will turn to f1.5 for nighttime to enhance low light images, and f2.4 when it is bright sunny out, which is a really amazing feature. And f1.5, I mean what? The Galaxy S9 will be able to take some amazing low light images. Next we have super slow-mo, which is where things get a little bit shady, as Samsung would never just say super slow-mo. They would at least add video at the end, and they would also show off the FPS of the video. As in the previous leaks, we know that the Galaxy S9 will be able to shoot super slow motion video with 960 frames per second, which will be great. Then you have 8 megapixel autofocus selfie camera, which I hope comes with the portrait mode of some sorts for that amazing bokeh effect. Next up, we have an exciting one, as it says stereo speakers tuned by AKG, and Samsung users know that we have been requesting that for years. And it's finally here. But it does not mean that the Galaxy S9 has a large speaker grill on the top just like it has on the bottom. No, the earpiece will work as the secondary speaker, so you will have one speaker which is down firing and another one which is front firing, and that is going to be interesting. Then you have IP68 water and dust resistant iris scanner, and the box show us that the Galaxy S9 is indeed coming with 4 gigs of RAM. Now let's skip ahead, and the box says secured by knock. But there were some reports that Samsung is shutting down the service and asking the users to move to secure folder. This makes the box feel a little fake. Maybe it is, maybe it is not. We will just have to wait for it and see. Back to the camera, the Galaxy S9 Plus will have a 12 megapixel camera from the Galaxy S9, and on top of that 13 megapixel shooter, making it a dual camera setup. Only thing that the specs on the box is missing is the battery capacity, and that is leaked to be 3200 mAh in the case of the Galaxy S9 and rumored to be 3600 mAh in the case of Galaxy S9 Plus. We have no more leaks about the Galaxy S9 Plus right now, but a very convincing clone of the Galaxy S9 Plus has surfaced. Not convincing when you see the display of course, but it has definitely nailed the design aspect, and it shows how beautiful the vertical camera from the Galaxy S9 Plus looks. With that said, let me know down in the comments what you guys think. Is the dark and shady video real, and is the Galaxy S9 packaging box real? I hope you liked this video, and for upcoming content stay tuned. This is Chaitanya Snoria signing off.